Hello, kids! Welcome to Tip Tip Kids. Are you ready to learn animals from A to Z? Let's start our fun animal journey. A for alligator. Alligator is a big reptile. It lives in water and has strong teeth. B for baboon. Baboon is a wild animal. It looks like a monkey and lives in groups. C for camel. Camel is called the ship of the desert. It helps people travel in hot deserts. D for dog. Dog is a pet animal. It guards our house and is very loyal. E for elephant. Elephant is the biggest land animal. It has a long trunk and sharp tusks. F for fish. Fish lives in water. It swims with fins and has gills to breathe. G for goat. Goat is a domestic animal. It gives us milk and is very active. H for hen. Hen is a farm bird. It gives us eggs. I for iguana. Iguana is a green reptile. It likes to live on trees and rocks. J for jaguar. Jaguar is a wild animal. It runs very fast and is a good hunter. K for kangaroo. Kangaroo lives in Australia. It carries its baby in a pouch. L for lion. Lion is the king of the jungle. It is strong and brave. M for monkey. Monkey loves to jump and play. It eats fruits and nuts. N for nightingale. Nightingale is a small bird. It is famous for its sweet and beautiful song. O for owl. Owl is a night bird. It can see clearly in the dark. P for parrot. Parrot is a colorful bird. It can copy human sounds. Q for quail. Quail is a small bird. It lays tiny eggs. R for rabbit. Rabbit is a soft and cute animal. It loves to eat carrots. S for sheep. Sheep gives us wool. Wool is used to make clothes. T for tiger. Tiger is a wild animal. It has black stripes and is very strong. U for unicorn. Imaginary animal. Unicorn is a magical animal. It has one horn and lives in fairy stories. V for vulture. Vulture is a big bird. It helps keep the environment clean by eating dead animals. W for whale. Whale is the biggest sea animal. It lives in the ocean. X for X-ray fish. X-ray fish is a small fish. Its body looks transparent. Y for yak. Yak lives in cold mountains. It helps people carry loads. Z for zebra. Zebra looks like a horse. It has black and white stripes. Wow, kids! You learned animals from A to Z today. If you enjoyed this video, like, share with your friends, and subscribe to Tip Tip Kids for more fun learning videos. Bye-bye, kids! See you in the next video!